If you're working on a project and your toolbox is bare, don't worry, don't fret, there's help everywhere. At the Mallacoota Tool Library, we've got what you need, from hammers to saws, to help you succeed. If you're not a tool, but you need a tool, come on down, we'll make you cool. Mallacoota Tools, every Thursday 9 to 11, it's the place to pursue your DIY heaven. Find us in Salmon Street near Allan Drive. Look for the green container where tools come alive. From 9 to 11, we're ready to share. Whatever your project, we've got the gear. If you're not a tool, but you need a tool, come on down, we'll make you cool. Mallacoota Tools, every Thursday 9 to 11, it's the place to pursue your DIY heaven. No need to buy, no need to stress, just borrow from us, we're the best. And being helpful, we've got your back. For all your DIY, it's us you'll track. If you're not a tool, but you need a tool, come on down, we'll make you cool. Mallacoota Tools, every Thursday 9 to 11, it's the place to pursue